2020 Ram 1500 Hemi. You guys love when I say that, so Hemi. Really beautiful truck. What we got done on it, it's got a nice lift kit, nice wheels, got, you know, the original converters there and there. Then it wires into a single, then it goes 3-inch. And what we put on it is a FLOWMASTer 40 series, part number 42446, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then it wires out into a dual, out the back. And then we put some 6-inch tips, or no, not 6-inch, sorry, 5-inch, 6-inch won't fit too. It'd be too small. I mean, too big. So we put the massive 5-inch tips. They look really nice, really beautiful on this Larmy. Let us know what you guys think. We'll let you guys hear it. Then we left the resonators on it. He didn't want it too loud, so we left those on it for him. But it's a FLOWMASTer 40 and 5-inch tips rolled. This is the original muffler. I don't know where he put the tips. He put them in this box. The original tips are in those boxes. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Oh, much better. That 40 series never disappoints. It's the original. Grab it before it falls. Just put it in the mailbox. Oh, it sounds good. Sound decibels. Again. Go ahead and back it out. Oh, they look so good with the 5-inch tips. That's how they need to come from the factory. See the... Yeah, it looks cleaner. That was a really nice setup. Tell us what you guys think. We'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Dodge Ram Larmy. Beautiful, massive truck. Just a beast. FLOWMASTer 40 series on it. And it's 5-inch tips. I keep saying 6-inch. I don't know why. But they're 5-inch tips.